Hi Wish Trenders, welcome back to Wish Trend Fitness TV. I am Chloe Bach, the second runner-up for Miss Korea 2018. Last time I showed you a relatively static workout that used a band to stretch and shape the entire body. Today we are going to burn and sweat all over. Today we're going to continue to work hard to stimulate the muscles in our entire body. Are you ready? Let's exercise in the spirit of burning all the fat off your body. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's time to get up and shape up. The first move we'll do is called a basic burpee. People call this move the move of devil because of how difficult it is. The basic burpee uses various joints such as wrists, knees, ankles, and allows you to perform an aerobic exercise and strengthen core at the same time. I really love this workout. I really do. It's impossible not to lose weight with this move because it'll get you breathing rough and sweat will fall like rain. So, are you ready to get rid of all your body fat? Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna do it on a bare ground. What you're gonna do is spread your legs shoulder width, and we're gonna go down and go back, come back, and jump. Touch the ground, go back, come back, and jump. And while you do this, keep breathing. You need to do this move with precision to double its effect. Please stretch your legs straight back. Shall we jump together? Let's go. Now, your whole body is probably burning now. Do you feel that burn? Because I do. Continue this burning energy and keep going without a break. Shall we move on to the next? To keep burning fat. This move is called the side burpee. Think of it as a leveled up version of the basic burpee. Because it stimulates the legs once more, this move should be more effective in burning fat. Let's go. Just like the same burpee we did, we go down, stretch out the leg, out to the side, come back, and jump. All right, do it one more time. Touch. That wasn't too hard, right? When doing so, it is important that your hips do not fall when you open your legs out to the side. Make sure your hips don't move up and down. Powered by the motivation to remove body fat and turn it into muscle, let's start again. Let's go. Please breathe deeply as if you're sending the air completely out of your body. Don't forget to shake out your entire body as always. Let's move on to the next move. The next move is called step up. Even though it's a whole body exercise, it is most effective for exercising the butt and creating a smooth back line. It's very strong yet quick exercise that give you a butt a nice lift. Okay, so step on the box and go up like this. Be careful not to lean your body forward when stepping up. And don't forget the precise movements. Make sure to keep the angles of your knee vertical and always keep your knees facing the same way you're stepping up. And we're gonna do the other side. Did you feel the correct muscle stimulation? It is good to concentrate on the moment when you feel a strong stretch in your lower body. We use this move to remove the fat in the thigh and the butt. Let's move on to the next move that will allow you to focus more on the lower body. The last move we'll do is a step jump squat. This move is an effective exercise used to increase the amount of lower body fat that is being burned. Doing this move continuously will help you create a resilient leg line. When you climb up the stairs in squat position, keep the position and come down. You can get a more effective workout from using the step box or stairs compared to just doing it in one place. If you feel like your knees may be overloaded with the amount of strength needed, you can leave them in place. With this move, anyone can attain attractive legs. Now, let's get started with the first set. Let's go. The higher you go, more intense it gets. Guys, do not forget to breathe. Don't lean your weight to the front. When you do this move, you should start from your toes and land on your toes. This will serve as a buffer to lessen the impact on your knees and ankles. All right, please drink a sip of water and shake out your body. Did you guys follow along well? You did great. You guys are amazing. The 4 whole body exercises we've learned today have a great effect on short-term weight loss. If you followed along for a month, 3 times a week, 1 hour a day, you can increase your basic stamina for effective weight loss. However, please make sure you follow along my diet meal tips. Can you believe it? We've already finished the workout for episode 9. I feel like we only just started our time together, but I still get to be with you for 3 more episodes. I am going to prepare information on stretching and health so I can show you how to relax the body in the next video rather than an intense exercise. Now, is there anything you just can't miss before starting a full body workout? Today's diet menu. This is a great dish that uses the right type of virgin olive oil. It is a good dish to eat while dieting. If you eat olive oil instead of fast food, it'll coat your stomach with film, lowering the rate of food absorption and improving your satiety. So let me tell you about this tomato marinade made with virgin olive oil. If you had any difficulties trying out the workouts and the menu I shared today, let me know in the comment section down below and I will try my best to help you out. If you have any questions about how to get a specific body line, diet tips, or any other workout methods, please leave us a comment down below. Once again, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Wish Trend TV for the next episode of Wish Trend Fitness TV.